I've been making cookies for over 30 years, and I found a little secret where you can make these amazing sugar cookies, delicious too, without using a rolling pin and without a messy floured board. You want me to show you how? Here we go. Add 1 cup of room temperature butter into a bowl and beat it well. Now add 1 cup of granulated sugar and beat that till it's nice and creamy. Here you're going to add 1 whole egg. I always crack my eggs in another bowl. And now you're just going to add the egg yolk of the second egg. Beat this well and add in 2 teaspoons of your favorite extract. Now, slowly add 3 to 4 cups of flour. I usually do a half a cup at a time, sprinkling it in because every flour is different and you want to make sure you get a dough that actually separates from the bowl. And that's when you know you have a nice, dense sugar cookie dough, perfect for decorating cookies. Once that's all done, you're going to separate into 2 balls of dough, place in a plastic bag, and slowly, with the palms of your hands, even it out, usually about to a 1/4 inch height. Using your hands, I usually open the bag up to kind of make sure there's no creases. And then to make sure it's all flattened out, I take the back of a pan and press lightly. Here I'm going to do it with the second bag. When they're all done, you're going to place these into the refrigerator flat for 2 hours or more. When that's done, you're going to take your cold dough, open up the bag with some scissors, on just 3 sides. And using actually the back of the bag, you don't even take it off. No flour mess, no rolling out. Now you're going to lay down your cookie cutters. If you're using multiple cookie cutters, I like to lay them out like a puzzle piece so that I don't waste any dough. Once they're all cut, put them on a baking sheet. I like to use parchment paper. Have your kids help. Bake at 350 degrees for 12 minutes, and then you're ready to decorate. If you want any of our cookie kits, go to kidsbakingclub.com. Thanks for watching.